Hi there. Thanks for watching our video. In this video, we'll be comparing what it's like to calculate commissions using Excel versus using our commission automation platform, Core Commissions. We're going to show you some common commission rules calculated in Excel, and then we'll walk you through how to simplify these operations by using Core. When calculating commissions in Excel, you'll likely have multiple tabs to store your commission structure, sales data, and other various reference tables. Here, we have a customer assignments table and a tiered quota bonus table. In this example, the steps of this commission plan involve assigning sales reps based on the customer on the sale, retrieving their commission rates from the comp structure sheet, assigning their manager for roll-up commissions, determining line item commission amounts, and finally, calculating a bonus by determining which quota tier each sales rep attained. This process involves several lookups and logical functions that are easy to break and require strict data management. Now, let's take a look at how we can build this same plan in Core and how we can take advantage of Core's many features to get around these common stumbling blocks. In Core, we can upload the data from each of the sheets in our workbook into a data source. Here's what the data looks like once it's been uploaded. Once we've uploaded our data into each source, we can connect these sources like you would with a lookup in Excel, but in a much more intuitive way. You can see here, we have this join gear to connect our sales data source to our customer assignment source, and we can decide which columns the join should use to form a connection between these two data sources. We can then audit this join to verify that sales reps are being assigned to their sales correctly. Now that we've assigned our sales reps, all we need is a formula gear to do the math. A simple prompt to Core's in-app AI agent, RuleBot, and the gear is instantly added to your formula. There are several different tools within Core's rule engine that automate common commission practices. For example, the hierarchy gear retrieves the manager of the sales reps in your data to perform roll-up commission calculations automatically. There is also the group gear that has the ability to sum each sales rep's individual attainment and compare to their respective quota tiers. Now that we've built our rules and our commission calculations have been run, we're going to move on to creating reports and analytics for both you and your team. Generating reports in Excel is often time-consuming, while adding another level of complexity to the process. Core Commissions offers several out-of-the-box reporting options, from reports to interactive dashboards to flexible analytics that you can adjust on the fly. For more information about what reporting tools Core has to offer or how Core can automate your commission process, schedule a demo with us using the link in the description. Thanks for watching.